Dom here from Essential RC on a cloudy winter's day, and I'm brightening up with a second flight on this amazing looking Eachine E220S MD500. You can look at this MD500 from any angle and it looks absolutely amazing with its scheme and its rivet detail. But even if you open one of the four doors and look inside, it has a scale cockpit as well. Brilliant. So let's get it in the air and I will show you how well this flies. Really from the off you get amazing confidence as soon as you take off with this. Takes off really nice and smoothly, and it's highly accurate the way that it flies. You can just keep it relatively low level. Now this is a GPS stabilised helicopter. Stabilised so it will not roll to inverted, very difficult to crash, and it's GPS enabled, which means it will hover over the same position if you release the sticks, because it knows where it is after it has gained satellite lock before you take off. So look at this, it's quite a dull day, but look at that scheme. The red and the silver really pops against that dull sky behind it. It has two speed modes, so you take off in low speed mode, probably land in low speed mode, but between that dial it up to high speed mode and really get some speed on, left and right, flying backwards and forwards. You've got control over all axis, but this flies more like a drone than a collective pitch helicopter. It comes in this really nice presentation case, and all you need to do when you take the helicopter out is fit the landing gear with 4 bolts. Comes with the radio transmitter. You just put 4 AA's in the back of that. Read the manual to learn how to use the different modes, and then you've got the charger and the cradle to put the batteries into. Gets connected to the charger, and the batteries themselves, which have 4 LEDs, so you can know how much charge they have. In the box you also get spare main blades and tail blades and the tools to fit them. And as I show here, you take the helicopter out and you can see you just need to fit the landing gear. Now the latches on the doors go down to show you that detail inside, and I really like that because then I can use a small Insta360 Go3 action camera to capture some of the onboard highlights and outside as well. So you can see here how I'm mounting it on the side of this MD500 with a pivot mount. Gives you some nice views from my model flying club across the countryside across the south of England. So this is the inside cockpit shot I was talking about with the Insta360 Go3 action camera. Really nice how you get some of the cockpit detail. And really nice actually, the transparency of the plastic canopy is really good. Gives you some good views, it's not too obscured by the quality of the glass. And now coming into land, just working it low and lower, you get some updraft effect, but just pick your moment to put it down onto the pad, hold the left stick down and the motor cuts, and we're down. So there you go. That's the Eachine E220S. This is my favourite scheme on the recent MD500s that have come out. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment if you'd like to look up the price. But thanks for watching this one. If you enjoy my videos, maybe you'd like to subscribe. Click the subscribe or the follow button now. Thanks again. Bye.